is just pointing to my dick. Like it's telling girls just to come to my dick. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. For today's video, it's going to be a very short one. Really quickly though, shut your fuck. My dick is vibrating. Really quickly, I'm going to have to move my car into the driveway. Let's do that quickly. Honestly, there's this one fucking little kid who keeps staring at me across the street. He's on a trampoline, he just keeps staring at me. Oh, what the fuck do you want? Honestly, when he's staring at me, it feels like he wants my soul. So obviously, this is actually gonna be a very, very short video. Maybe, I'm not sure. Hopefully I can squeeze 10 minutes out of it. But inside this box is my precious. Genuinely, this is my precious. What do we have in this little box? It's like the mystery box out of Call of Duty, mate. Honestly, something inside here cost me 30 fucking quid. Anyway, let's quickly just get into this box because you guys are probably sick of waiting anyway. So all of you probably just want me to get into this bloody box. It's tiny, but let me quickly show you guys what's inside. Well, yeah, it feels like I'm proposing to somebody. Look at this, right? So first thing we have is literally like the installation, the instructions. You know what I'm saying, boy? Next thing you've got is each. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, even though you guys know what it is, but you know. So inside here we've got one indicator. Boy! Mate, so instead of this just blinking like this, what this will do instead is it will sweep. So it'll go like this, like Audi's. Boy, it's gonna look sexy as fuck. So obviously we have two indicators, one there, one to go on each side of the car. And this is gonna look sick on my car because obviously I've got a black and white car. So there's the indicators, and then also inside is these little adapter things, but I'm not sure if I need them or not, so yeah. What we're gonna do for today's video is we're gonna install those naughty girls. Boy, my tuk-tuk is about to go from being a tuk-tuk to being an Audi R8 with those fucking sweeping indicators. Boy, it's gonna look sexy. And the thing is, let me show you guys the indicators right now. Well, there's the indicators on now. So, this is what it's like before. Literally just flashes. Boring! Look at that boringness. That is the deadest thing I've ever seen in my life. Instead of doing that, we're going to be switching it out today for some bloody sweeping ones. Hold on. No. Installation of this bad boy indicator, you need to be professional like me, you know. You got to be professional like me. So without further ado, let's basically get the old indicators off. I'll show you guys how to do that, and then we can work out how to put these new indicators on. Yeah, buddy. All right, so I believe with these indicators, it's as simple as just prying them off like this, which I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna set you down on these lovely flowers. There you go. So look, that was actually very, very easy. So if you just yank this all out, there's the indicator. It's a little bit dirty. Dirty girl, so I'm just gonna wipe out. And there's the old indicator. Yeah. Now what we'll quickly do is we'll test it. So we'll go in here. Boys, I'm very excited to see what this looks like. Hopefully this works. It looks like it's worked. Oh my god, that looks so sick. That looks so much better than this. Watch. Boy, that is a basic bitch action. This is your little shorty who's just come into your life. Look at that. Whew. Boy, this is plastic porn. Oof. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks sick. The indicators look fucking sick. Oh my god, I literally haven't even showed you guys like it from afar, but it works so well on a white and black car. So bloody well. Obviously, something I want to point out to you guys is I am a YouTuber, but you know, obviously when I am outside of the car, I kind of hold back my emotions because obviously there's a hedge right here. Let me show you guys actually. There's like a hedge right here. People walk past right there as I'm screaming. I'm like, hi. And also obviously right here, you know, people walk past and they're like, oh! So I'm not gonna lie, I do get a little bit nervous outside, but literally, you guys can see my reaction inside here. These fucking indicators, if you haven't copped them already, boys! Bro, I got an Audi. I got an Audi. I'm gonna show you guys in just a second the indicators, but they look fucking insane. And even installing them was so piss easy. So yeah, to be honest, I don't know what these things are, but they look sick, you know. But yeah, they're going in the bloody bin now, aren't they? Like that. There it is. Mate, that looks fucking insane. Look at the indicators with the black everything. Honestly, that works so well. Oh my god. Oh, I wish I had my own garage to literally just scream. Literally, the indicators are now all fitted and you guys saw how easy it was. I had a little bit of trouble getting the second one in, you know. Like I said, it's professional work, you know. So obviously here's the indicators without the lights on and I think that looks so sleek, you know. Look at that now. Honestly, if you have a Corsa, get rid of your old shitty indicators and get this, because that is beautiful. Look at that. And also on this side, look at that. Boy. I do believe that looks insane. Like, it's nice to have another black bit on the side of the car. Because obviously the front of the car has the fog light bits, the front grille, you know. I'm fucking gassed. Get rid, if you have a Corsa or any other car, just type in sweeping indicators online and you should be able to get rid of these shitholes. Look at this. Look at these bug-eyed bitches. All right, let's turn the indicators on. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, they look sick. Look, they actually look sick. This indicator is just pointing to my dick. Like it's telling girls just to come to my dick. Alright, obviously something that will attract all the ladies is honestly, look. Even unlocking the car, it does it. Ah! Mate, they genuinely, it's weird to say this, right? But the car just looks more black, you know? Honestly, it's actually, it makes the car, like it's tiny. It's a tiny detail, but it makes the car look like it's got more black on it, you know? That might be a very weird thing to say, but really though, it stands out. Like it's a tiny piece of plastic, but that bitch stands out. Let me know what you guys think of that indicator. Do you think, right, that is worth £30? Because 100% I'm quite happy I bought that, you know. It's tiny, and I don't think on camera it will show how much it stands out, but look at the black wheels. Indicator, it just makes sense to have a black indicator. Boys, honestly, I'm gonna be picking up old grannies with this bloody indicator. So yeah, unfortunately, that is already the end of today's video, but let me know what you guys think of this indicator, because, boys, I'm gonna do a video in the future telling you guys how many grannies I picked up with that. Literally, it's a tiny thing that you can do to your car, but it's sick. So yeah, overall, I'm really happy with the purchase. You know, I purchased it out of my own money. That is gonna add, like honestly, we're already on 320 brake horsepower from the air filter. We're gonna be on fucking like 600 in no time, boys. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Very small video, and you know, not obviously my most entertaining one, but yeah, just giving you guys a little bit of ideas for your car, I'm guessing. If you never thought about changing your indicators, go bloody change your indicators, you fucking bitch. Anyway guys, I'm gassed with my purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff if you haven't already. Subscribe if you want, I don't really care. Don't subscribe if you don't want to, it's your choice. I know how annoying it is to have somebody that you don't watch on your feed. It bloody pisses me off. So yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and I'll see you like lovely faces in my next video. What?